Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, we're going to discuss what is autopsy. Now, let us see the definition of autopsy. Autopsy is an open source. I'll show you how we can download an autopsy and we can test it. Digital forensic platform tool that provides a graphical interface for investigators. It supports examination of hardware, mobile devices, and network forensics. Okay. So now we'll see how we can download autopsy. Let me minimize this. Let me go to google.com. Now let me search for autopsy download. So when you search for autopsy download, click on enter. So the first one, autopsy download, you can click on it. So mine is 64-bit Windows machine. So I'll download the first one. You can download it for Mac, you can download it for Linux, etc. But for now, I'll download 64-bit. So it is like 1.1 GB file. So it will take a little bit of time. So now it got downloaded. Let me open the file. So yeah, let me double click it. So once I double click it, the installation will start. It will tell you installation is running, is in progress, preparing to install. Now the wizard comes. Click on next. Here you can put the program files. Click on next. Install it. So it will take a little bit of time. The status and registration of the product comes. So yeah, let us wait for status to complete. It will now copy two new files. This will also take a little bit of time. Then it will start registering the product. This will also take a little bit of time. So yeah, once the product is registered, so now it will ask you completing the autopsy setup, click on finish. So now autopsy is now installed. Double click the autopsy here. So once you double click the autopsy, the interface opens. It is, you can see the dog, autopsy open extensible here. So we have to give allow access with the Windows firewall. So now here you have to click on new case. If you already have an open case, you can select open case, but for now, I'll select the new case. So you can give the case name as any case name you can give. I'll give it as test. And base directly you have to select. So base directly, anyway, my documents will be there in document folder. I'll click on select or so here the case number can be anything. Usually the name I'll give test phone number, I'll give the normal phone number, test phone number. In companies actually you can give the name actual, you can give the email ID of the what are the companies you're working on. Notes I'll be giving the testing. Then I'll click on finish. So once I click on finish, I'll be getting this page as data source. So now I have to generate a new host. I'll click on next. So mine will be the local disk. You can do all of the testing here, but for now I'll go with the local disk. I'll click on next. So here I'll be going with the local disk. So select disk, the disk which I have in my sandbox, or you can use virtual devices. C drive, I'll click on OK, that is drive 0. Then I'll click on next. Once I click on next, this all the things will be there. Just to pause the video and see. These all the things will be rectified. Hash lookup, embedded file extractor. So now I'll click on next. So once I click on next, it will start processing the data source. The status, it will take a little bit of time. So once it is done, I'll you can see on the bottom 18% is completed here. So we have to wait for it to complete. As soon as it completes, you can see the data artifacts. There we can see all the data, Chrome profiles, how many programs are installed. We'll see one by one. So let us go to Chrome extensions. These are all the extensions which are already there in the Chrome device. These are all extensions. You can see the down what the detailed description will be there. Okay, the where my cursor is there, there we have the detailed description. The top one is all the artifacts. This is the Chrome profile. The local state is there. Favicon, or also the install how many programs you have installed. So each and every data will be there. Address book is installed by default. All the MPlayer 2, etc. Operating system, what operating system I have, Windows 10 Enterprise. So AMD 64, etc. So recent documents, these are all the recent documents. How many run programs? These are all the programs which we have, it is run. These are all services in the backend also. How many bookmarks we have? Bing URL is one of the bookmarks which we have. see if you go down, we'll give the information. So these are all the cache information. These are all the cookies which we have. The web definitely it will be acting as a log also, right? These are all the cookies which will be helping forensics. And web downloads, how many what and all we have downloaded? We have downloaded Autopsy, right? That is there in the history web, and we will also see the web categories. These are all the things which are present here. So this is normal, guys, where we have seen all the extensions, web categories, everything. Hope you have got an idea of Autopsy, how it actually matches the definition, where it is. In this scenario, we have covered with the local disk. If we have the USB device or external hard drive, that also we can easily scan properly. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.